In this video, I am to cover setting up Kdenlive for editing both landscape and vertical videos for like YouTube Shorts. So if I first go to project settings, then select vertical orientation and custom. As you can see, it is 1080 by 1920. Check the profile. Then I can drag the project monitor, which has the vertical video. As you can see, it has changed. I can drag it. First let me drag it there. I want to show that in the view, you can go to dock area orientation, then arrange in columns, then drag the project monitor into here. Then you can turn off, or actually you can combine this into here, and you can move other things also here. So in the project monitor, you can edit the video while you see, and if you want to turn off something like the speech editor, you can turn it from here. Also, if you need to, as you can see, there is no tab here to move it. You can turn it off from here, the audio mixer. And in the clip monitor, you can also view the video here. So this is what I wanted to show. You can also save the layout as save layout, like Vert1. So you can see that the layout will be available here. If you cannot find it here, you have to go to manage layout, then move down here and move it up here. Then if you click OK, as you can see, this layout has moved in here. I have already made a few layouts for myself. So this is for editing landscape videos, but currently it is in vertical profile, so it is showing like that. But actually you can see the orientation is, the shape is for landscape video, and I've made one for the shorts. Here in the project monitor, you can see it is for 1080 by 1920. So this is all I wanted to show in this video.